this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom notification sounds on your Samsung phone. So what you want to do is get an application called Zedge, and this is great for any kind of notification sounds. If you want to get like video games or music or something like that, go to the Google Play Store here, go to search, and type in Zedge, Z-E-D-G-E, and then go to search. Now search for this application, it's called Zedge. Open this up right here. And then there's going to be a lot of ads and stuff that's kind of annoying. Just hit the X on the top, or you can just close it down and then reopen it. So you don't have to use anything on there for that. And then we can just go to search. And let's do like a Halo or something like that. Halo theme. And then we can go to notification sounds. So if you want to get a ringtone, go to ringtone. Notification sounds is right here. And then we got the Halo theme right here, Halo 5 theme. Let's just click on this. And then we can go to the download option. And then we can go to set as ringtone, set as alarm, set as notification. Okay, so let's go to set notifications. And I think I hit that. Notifications should be updated. Let me do that one more time. Okay, now we can switch back on over to the notifications. So let's go to settings. And then scroll on down, sound and vibrations. And then go on down, and we can see the notification sounds now is set to MCC. So very easy to get this custom notification sound. And then we got the vibration pattern on here too. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.